so we're roasting we have a pan roasted chicken here. I just cut up this lovely chicken and now we're going to actually cook it. I love to pan roast like this because when you have the pieces set like this, each one gets a nice golden brown on them. Each one has a chance to really roast up and get delicious. And of course you get a lovely pan sauce that goes with it. What I have here is some fresh thyme. This came out of I have a pot of herbs that I have out on the patio. Fresh thyme here and fresh rosemary. I'm going to show you exactly what to do with that. I've got a little garlic and some salt. Now I mix my own together. I've got pepper and I've got olive oil. So let's start with the olive oil because the olive oil is going to make everything kind of stick. Now you just kind of roll over the top of everybody like that. And then you grab a lemon and I'm going to cut that up. Probably just need about, we need it to about that much lemon. And we're going to just go ahead and squeeze that over the top like so. And what I like to do is just make sure everything has been equally inundated with lemon. Lemon juice really brings out a good flavor in the chicken. Pull the seeds though, if you see a seed. You don't have to get pedantic about it, but I mean, pull out the seeds because the seeds get kind of bitter when they roast. And then you have all these lemons. What I do with them is just kind of stick them under and hide them like you're playing hide and seek with the chicken. These big breast pieces need more than these other ones, and then just do the thighs like so. There you go. And the next thing is our herbs. Okay, so we have thyme, and I'll just kind of show you a couple of things with the thyme. You know, these are very woody, and if you go like this, look, fresh thyme. You just strip it right off. Now, if you get a twig or two in there, you know, seriously, don't get all worried about it. It's not a big deal. But just pull the thyme and put it on the top. And again, we really want a good fresh herb infusion here, so we're going to use lots of it. And then we're going to also stick it on the bottom, just like we did. And you should smell this. I mean, it's just absolutely amazing. And when I say it just came out of the garden, I did take the time to wash it, by the way. Because I prefer not to have creatures in my chicken. And then later on, when you're getting ready to serve it, you can always add more. Okay, so see, I've got all these little sticks that are pretty much good for nothing. What I'll do is take them, cut them, and just stick a little bit more. I'm just kind of, once again, hide and seek. There's your herbs. Now, rosemary, same idea. Look, you pull that off like so. And when you crush the rosemary, you bring out their essential oils. You can crush it or you can chop it, and I'm chopping. Now, I'll show you a secret that I do. I put it in between the skin and the flesh. Look, right in there. Just stuff it in. Stuff it in like a little pocket. You just find a place to put it. There it goes. How do you like that? And then it's a little more difficult with these wing spots, but it'll still work for you. Okay, then I will take sprigs like so. And once again, I'm putting them under. I'm not even bothered to crushing them because we got the crushed already inside. We'll be good. We'll share the wealth over here. All right? Now, next thing. Now, believe me, I'm not using this again. You notice I have chicken all over my fingers? Be careful. We're going to garlic salt the top. You can use fresh garlic too, which I prefer to use. I had a garlic incident happen. I think I left the garlic in my shopping cart. You know, stuff happens. And then again, lots of pepper. That's it. This is all you do. 400 degrees. These smaller pieces will be done earlier. Pull them out. Then take out the thighs when they're done, and then these big breasts are going to take a little bit longer to cook. I don't worry about that. I know some people are going to say, you know, you really should have even sizes here. Who cares? Really, what you're after is you're after some excellent flavor, and what we have done is set this thing up for some amazing, amazing flavor and a terrific pan sauce. And again, what we will do when we get that pan sauce is we will just put a little bit of white wine in there, and then we'll add a pat of butter to sort of velvetize the whole sauce, throw it into a little pitcher and serve it on the table, and it's absolutely delicious. That's it, 400 degrees, and you'll have yourself, these guys will be done in about 25 minutes. These guys will probably take 45, and this will be closer to an hour. That's it. Pan roasted chicken. Isn't it beautiful?